How are you today? I hope you're excited for a new episode of Learning Materials. Today we'll continue working on the sword, but this time we'll rely more on your creativity than explanation. As always, we have some new nodes to explore. First up is Mix Color, which allows us to blend two colors and control the result using the factor value. The second node for today is Value. It's simply a single numeric input that we can use to control multiple values at once, making adjustments easier and more precise. I'll use noise texture to drive both the factor and color 1 so that any node I add later will simply fill in the white areas of the mix color. This node is very similar to the math node, but with one key difference. While math translates values into black and white only, mix color works more like Photoshop compared to Illustrator, giving us greater color control and more diverse effects. I can see the sword's blade taking shape. Now, let's move on to the next node, Color Attribute. This node allows us to store and retrieve colors from Vertex Paint, giving us more control over material design. We'll use it as a mask to control color distribution. Using this node is super simple. Go to Object Data Properties, then Color Attribute, click Add New, and now we're ready to paint. But don't forget one crucial step. If you're using multiple color attributes, make sure to select the correct one in the node to get the desired effect. Let's go to Vertex Paint and literally paint the vertices. the previous episode, we used image texture to paint a mask from scratch, but this can sometimes limit flexibility, especially if you want faster adjustments, a different painting method, or even a pre-existing image. So this time, instead of painting manually, we'll add a ready-made image to use as a mask. Now let's explain the most important node you need to know, which starts with Y and ends with U. Congratulations! No new nodes this time. With enough practice, you'll master materials in no time. How about we raise the challenge a little? While working, I made some mistakes, and I'll make more on purpose. There are also shortcuts to speed up the process, but the most important thing is that we all see things differently. So, I've left the model in the description box, and I challenge you to create the material yourself. Unleash your creativity, spot the mistakes, and find your own solutions. And now, how about relaxing and enjoying the rest? Take a deep breath and let your creativity take over. Just like that, we've reached the end of today's episode and the end of the second part. It's been an amazing journey, and I'm so glad we got to learn together. But don't worry, this isn't goodbye. In the next part, we're stepping into a whole new world, the world of lighting. Get ready to discover how lighting can transform your scene from ordinary to a masterpiece. Before you go, don't forget to tell me in the comments which part of the materials section you enjoyed the most. See you soon in the next part.